Hey there, and welcome back to Tech Beginnings. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use Siri like a pro. Whether you're new to Siri or just want to level up your skills, this guide will help you get the most out of Apple's voice assistant. Let's dive right in. First, let's make sure Siri is turned on. Go to Settings, scroll down a bit, select Siri. Then you'll want to select Talk to Siri. And then you can choose whether to do Siri or Hey Siri or just Hey Siri. Once you select one of those, another box will open and you'll want to enable Siri once again. Another dialog box comes up. Set up Hey Siri. This helps Siri recognize your voice when you say Hey Siri, but we're just going to cancel for now. You can launch Siri in a few different ways. Say Hey Siri followed by your command. You can press and hold a side button on iPhones without a home button. On older iPhones, press and hold the home button. Siri can handle a lot of basic tasks. Try these commands. Call mom. Set a timer for 10 minutes. What's the weather today? Remind me to take out the trash at 8 p.m. Send a message to Alex saying I'll be there soon. Siri can add events and reminders quickly. You could try add lunch with Sarah to my calendar at noon on Friday. Remind me to pick up groceries when I leave work. What's on my calendar for today? Speed up your settings with Siri. Say things like, turn on Do Not Disturb, turn off Bluetooth, increase the brightness, open Instagram. When you're on the go, Siri is super useful. Try, give me directions to the nearest coffee shop, or how's traffic on the way to work, or even where am I? Siri is also handy for random info or even a little fun. What's 20% of 85? How do you say hello in Japanese? Tell me a joke. What's the capital of Italy? If you have HomeKit devices, you can control them with Siri. You can say things like, turn off the living room lights, set the thermostat to 72 degrees, or is the front door locked? So you can also change Siri's voice and variation style. Just go to Settings, Siri, and Voice to make those changes. You can also manage what apps Siri can access and learn from. And that's how to use Siri like a pro. It's more than just a voice assistant. It's a real time saver once you get the hang of it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Got a favorite Siri command? Drop it down in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.